Hello everyone, this is M Kumar from VH Group. I am the instructor for this video. This is the sixth video of our Linux basic command session for security analyst. In this video we are going to cover the topic file and directory command. So let me start out my terminal. So the first command is pwd. So this command will show you the present working directory. As you can see, we are on desktop, so it's showing home virus in desktop. So now let's move to our next command, which is ls. Yeah, here we go. So the ls command will list the content of a directory or of a, you can say, current working directory. So it's showing us the content of desktop. So here you can check it out. All the information are getting printed here. So now let's move towards our next command, which is ls minus n. Yeah, here we go. So this command will list all the content of a directory, including the hidden files and directory. So here you can check it out. Book and desktop are being visible here, and new tester project, and these files are visible there, but these files are not visible here. Dot because it's an file which are being hidden. So here you can check it out. It's showing the permissions. We will discuss it in our further video with a deep concept. So now, without wasting time, let us just proceed towards our next one. So our next one is to just create a directory. So to create a directory, we will just put our command mkdir. So let me create a directory with a name vih. Yeah, here you can check it out. It has been created. So now let's create a nested directory. So nested directory means a directory inside a directory. So let us create a nested directory. So the command for the same is mkdir vih group slash, here you should use -p as extension, -p vh group test slash admin. So here you can check it out, vh group test admin. Yeah, it has been successfully completed. So now let's proceed towards our next command. So our next command is to remove the directory, which is rmvih. So we are just removing this directory. So rmvih, sorry, it's showing we can't remove the directory. So the command for removing this directory is rmdir. So dir stands for remove directory. Here I just done a little bit mistake, so no issue. I'm just using rmdir vih. I hope it will delete now. It will surely delete. Yeah, here we go. The file has been deleted. Now let's just use same command for deleting vih group directory. rmdir vih group. So it's showing failed to remove vih group because it's a nested directory, and nested directory will not delete by using this simple command rmdir. So to delete a nested directory, we will use command rm -rf vih group. So here rf means recursively and forcefully. So it will delete vih group directory along with its content. As I told you, it's a nested directory, so it will avail with some of the contents. Yeah, so here it has been successfully deleted. Let me clear out the display and move towards our next command. So our next one is cd. So cd is for changing our directory. So let me show you an example to just get jumped into project, because it's on our desktop environment, as we are in desktop directory or on desktop environment. So let's jump into our project file, cd project. Yeah, so I'm not gonna do just show you what the content of project directory, because it's it's confidential. So to get out of this directory, we will just use the command cd dot dot. Yeah, here we just got get out of this. So I'm using Parrot OS, that's why I just using a space between double dot and cd. If you will use Kali Linux, then you should use command cd dot dot without any space. So, or to just get jump out of 3 out of directory, then we should use the command cd space dot dot slash dot dot slash dot dot. As per the directory, you should use these dots along with slash bar. This will show you one directory, two directory, and three directory. It will just jump back 3 directory back. Yeah. So now let's move towards our next command. So our next command is to create a new file. So let me use the command for it. So the command is touch vih.txt. So I'm creating a text file as a name vih group. So the command for the same is touch vih group. Yeah, here you can check it out. So to delete this file, we will use the command rm vih.txt. And if the file is with a content, then you should use the command rm -f and then file name. Sorry, vih.txt. So in this format, you can just delete a file forcefully if it will be available with some of the contents. So now let me show you another example. So for that I need two files. Let me create a file. Let me use leafpad to just edit a little bit. Leafpad test.txt. Yeah, here we just created a. So let me just type some of the command. VIH group is online based IT company. So let me save it and just get out of it. So now let me create another file with name vih.txt. So now let me just type something here. So cyber set is not a small game. Let me save it out. Yeah, so here we just created two files. Sorry, where it gone? So I don't know where it's gone. So let me save it. Control S. So oh, sorry, it's here. So here just we created two files. Let me clear display. So the next command is to just copy a content of file 1 to file 2. So the command for the same is cp test.txt space vih.txt. Yeah, here we go. Let me show you. Yeah, here it's showing the content of test file. So here you can check it out. The content of test.txt file has been just copied in our vih.txt file. As you remember, I just created I just type some words as cyber threat is not a small game, so it has been replaced by the content of file 1. So let me delete this file. rm minus f test.txt rm. So let me show you, it's not getting deleted by simple command vih. Oh yeah, you can see it's getting deleted from rm vis.txt because it's not containing a lot of information. That's why it's getting delete as simple as you can see. So you can use both of the command. F means forcefully, and if you will use rf, then it will just create output as a name rf. So rf means recursively as well as forcefully. So now let's move towards our next command. So the next command is to just rename file and directory. So we will just create two file, 10 upper lines of the file. As you can see here, we just typed 11 text, 1 2 3 4 8 9 10 11. Here you can check it out. We just typed 11 lines, so it's showing you the upper top lines. So what if we should, or what if we have to check the lower 10 line of any file? So the command for the same is tl hello.txt. so here you can check it out. It's showing you the file from top 10 files from starting, or sorry, it's from last. So this is what we cover in the our 6th video of basic Linux basic command for security analyst. I hope you like it, and thanks a lot for joining this session, and we will just continue, or we will come with a lot of information in our next video. So you guys are awesome. Stay tuned.